In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OTG to Samsung Mobile F41. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting an OTG drive to your Samsung Galaxy F41 or any other Samsung device is extremely simple. First, if you have a device that is easily and directly connectable to your phone, simply plug it in through the charging port. Usually this will be done with a USB-C or micro USB connection, so just plug it in there. Alternatively, if you are trying to connect something like a USB flash drive, you will need a corresponding adapter. So you will be able to purchase a micro USB to USB adapter or a USB-C to USB adapter. Just purchase the one that is compatible with your specific Samsung device. So look at the charging port, see if you have a USB-C port or micro USB, and then plug the adapter in. Once you plug the adapter into the charging port of your phone, you will be able to insert the other end on your device. So you can plug a USB flash drive, an external storage device, an SD card reader, and so on. Simply plug it in through the adapter, and once this is done, you will be able to access all of the files. So make sure that the cable is properly and securely plugged in, and then you will be able to open the My Files app on your Galaxy F41. Inside of My Files, you will be able to choose something akin to USB storage, indicating that the external storage device was properly detected. Choose that option and you will see all of the files accessible on that drive. You will be able to tap on them once to visualize them, so if you have images, videos, and so on, and you can also copy them over to your phone's storage. So drag them over and you will be able to access them natively on your device. You can transfer as many files as you wish, but keep in mind that data transfer speed might be affected by the adapter, the OTG drive, and the types of files being transferred. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect OTG to Samsung Mobile F41. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.